So I'm supposed to understand quantum physics and Schrödinger's cat? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I fake it in 3 steps. Step 1. Imagine a cat in a box with a radioactive atom. We are contemplating, not adopting a pet. Step 2. Consider the cat both alive and dead until you check. Perfect time for overthinking all your life choices. Final step. Open the box and observe the outcome. Boom! Quantum mystery. No effort required. You'll see this. Use code QUANTUM20 for a nice discount. Or keep struggling. Your choice.